Yes. No, blink.
I'm Lulu, and my daughter
Lola
will be doing my Halloween makeup today. So what was your motivation? What are we gonna do today?
Well, I was scrolling through the internet and I saw lots of like skull things and then like blood and then like Harley Quinn type things, but then like most of those have like half of it was like normal or like glam, I guess. So I was like, okay, that looks cool. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna have like half her face, kind of like do the skull thing, you know? And then have like blood dripping down from, because these are gonna be like scar wounds kind of that leads into the skull. So it looks like half her face is cut off. And then the blood is gonna lead into like some glitter to lead into the glam eyes and stuff. So, yeah.
So Lola made this up totally on the fly. Plus, I've got an awesome vampire dress on underneath this, and we have a surprise for you at the end.
We do?
Yeah, my to make it really cool.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure to like and subscribe to continue to get the best videos you've ever seen straight into your eyeballs.